name is Yousuf A Milestone, and I'm an incoming sophomore at Evergreen Valley High School. The project that I chose for BSc this semester was the Wi-Fi voice-controlled robot. My first milestone was to make the H-bridge and make the motors spin. An H-bridge is a circuit that allows you to control a DC motor and make it go backwards or forwards. As you can see, when I plug the code into the Arduino unit, the motors spin back and forth. The motors are connected to the Arduino and the battery pack through the H-bridge, which is how they are able to move. The Arduino addresses each motor and both its pins using the locations where the jumper wires were plugged into the Arduino, and it tells one pin to go high and the other pin to go low for the motors to spin one direction, and then uses the opposite setup for the motors to spin the other direction. Some issues that I ran into were soldering, as I was quite new to soldering, and this caused a few problems, but I was able to overcome this by simply practicing and gaining a little experience. The last couple motors were soldered better than the earlier ones, but they all still worked completely well. Another problem I ran into was not understanding the H-bridge since it was the first time I'd ever used one. I solved this problem by asking help from my instructor Robert, well as watching a few tutorials on my own of how the L298 H-bridge module worked. In the end, I was able to put it all together and complete the circuit. My next steps will include a little more coding to specify how the motor will spin and directions, but mainly I will be building the chassis of my car, the main body, and setting up the Wi-Fi app that will control the car.